It looks like he's always
Christmassy.
It looks very green.
Have I just got back from 2 hours of Pilates and we're gonna head to my grandma's house today and bring her McDonald's. She loves a Big Mac. That's probably where my sister gets it from. I don't feel like eating a Big Mac because I just worked out and I feel like it'll all go to waste if I do. So I'm just gonna eat at home. Maybe snack on a little something at my grandma's. My husband's meal. And this is mine. I'll see you guys in the car when Grace comes to pick me up so we can go get our McDonald's. Got the goods. 저요?
이거 눌렀는데 안 가.
네. 눌렀어. 할머니 해야지 엘라.
이쁘다. 아이고. 아이고 사랑해.
나는 먹고 왔어요.
아니야 이거 안 된다. 못 먹어.
그럼 일단 앉아요.
안 넣어야 돼. 이쁘다. 진짜 금방 해낼 때 뭐라.
맛있어요? We're back home from my grandma's. I'm gonna have a little bit of coffee because I'm so tired. I'm making dinner for my family today, and it's gonna be 닭갈비 using this griddle that let me show you guys that Caraway sent me. I'm gonna make a little bit of the sauce. I don't know what I'm doing with the sauce, like how I'm making it, but all I know is I'm gonna put curry powder in it because that's like the secret to Korea's 닭갈비 recipe. So it helps like with the smell of the chicken if there's any gaminess in it. But I'm also gonna make like japchae, but a one-pan japchae using fish cakes because my mom loves fish cakes. Pear juice. Griddle is so nice! 괜찮아? We are up for a girls' night dinner.
We're here. It hasn't come to me, so I didn't approach her about it. So our new CEO.
Really? No?
Said, look, we're gonna drink more during Christmas stuff. That was a drink that made you guys all buzz, but it'll help. It's not bad, right?
LeBron James is trying to one up me, he says.
So much. Who in the city? Kirk's good. He's cooking. He's still cooking, like, seems like good food. Cool. Yay, thanks for having us.
Wow! It's so spacious.
Wow, look at that screen.
Whoa!
Tesla has this too. No, not that. We don't have that thing. Like this. Oh, it does. There's 3 screens here. What the hell?
Whoa.
Damn. Can you accelerate from like 0 to 45 right now?
Oh god. 3, 2, 1, go! You guys, it's great. There's no one here. Got some goguma. We are currently grocery shopping to get some ingredients because we're gonna do spring rolls tonight with my parents. So just picking up a couple ingredients for that. Lunch was very good. Ramen. Why is the cheddar so expensive? My goodness. I fell asleep and my sister prepared everything. I will just work on the meat. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So here in the Chicagoland area, we have this place. It's a supermarket, and certain days of the week, they have cheaper sushis. Let me show you the platter. So we're gonna have some poke bowls tonight. Oh, and Grace made some miso soup too. But I'm gonna go ahead and prepare some of the toppings that we wanna put on there. We might eat ahead of time. I got really hungry and I ate a little before. So I'm probably not gonna do rice in my poke bowl and just do a salad poke bowl. Yeah.
Salad.
You don't like salad. You like tomatoes.
I like tomatoes.
Yeah, you do. This fish. Fishes, I'm like, I don't know what it is. Add some edamame. I'm gonna add a little bit of unagi. A little bit of wasabi mayo. Is there?
I have wasabi if you want it.
And that's okay, I don't need it. And sriracha. That's my dinner. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and I am about to do a lot of things today, like decorate my tree. I did get a head start on it a little bit. I have another tree up here. But yeah, for now I'm gonna feed my sourdough. It's like my daily morning routine. Open the blinds and oh my gosh, ran into that. So I got this down by my TV stand. Got the tree up. I do have to fluff it still. Got some ornaments there, and I just put some bows on the entryway table. I think I'm done with the top tree. So I made this very Christmassy. But tree is done here. I'm gonna go down. Grace is probably on her way. She's bringing me a tree skirt. And yeah, we're gonna go and make these little Christmas gifts to young kids all around the world, I believe. But we just go and get some gifts and toys and fill the box so that everyone can enjoy Christmas. Through my church, and Grace said it was a really good opportunity for Ella to learn that Christmas is not only about receiving, but it's about giving. The downstairs is all finished too. We have my projector star and the tree here. And that's kind of how the whole room looks.
Item and everything else.
I think this is really cute for if
very
you want to do
cute.
10 to 14 girls.
What do you think about this, Ella? We'll do like a heart theme.
Ella,
Ella wants to do this for them.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Go.
I feel like boys would like this. How does it fight? Look, a toy car is a good idea too. I think I like this. I like these. Maybe do this. So expensive. I got this mask too. Oh, I just put this stuff in, but this does not fit in, so I'm a little lost. I don't know what to do. I might return it and get some other things to fill the box more. But there's my box. We're gonna get some brunch with our friends. Hi! I'm recording you. Hi! Food yet or no?
Nah,
We didn't order it, but I picked. It's good.
It looks very green.
Which is pretty underrated.
Okay, well, be careful.
Especially the younger ones. Like there's this one guy that just
This is actually insane.
That's yours.
Huh?
Come on.
비비고?